तंग करता नहीं वेदर बाहर वाला हवा जेल की लिखी है मेरी राशियां
Lopez all on the way for six. No problems with that. Finding shots.
चंडीगढ़ सीज कर हरियाणा
This one is where the bottom half hasn't taken over. There's another one. He has it. He has it. The golden touch has come back. This time is the bottom half. Great control. Just a dismissive flick for six. And that strike rate and now Gola. That's exactly what he's trying to do.
I remember, do you remember Chadwick?